got more help than I needed.
Here's a quick recap of the cork birdhouse caper. Celine King needed more corks.
My wino friends couldn't keep up with me.
So she wrote a short cork request note for the reader exchange page of Ruralite, the Central Electric Co-op magazine.
To be honest with you, I thought Central Electric Ruralite was a Central Oregon thing.
Nope. It went out to 347,000 public utility customers all over the West, and the corks started flooding in.
Oh my God, what have I done?
And I am one of those co-op customers. I read the note and had corks in my garage I was delighted to pass on. Hello?
Hi,
Are you the birdhouse lady?
I'm the Corky lady. Yeah, that's me.
We found her surrounded by corks. Left her wielding a hot glue gun, building birdhouses as fast as she could. And now, 5 months later, it just seemed time to check in.
Hello.
Are you still the cork lady?
I am. I am. Yes.
Oh yeah, she is still the cork lady, still at it.
So fun.
Still has a couple of corks left to work with.
Probably down to 23,000. Yeah.
So far, Celine has made 37 birdhouses, and the math for achieving zero cork status, it's daunting.
It says here you need to make 207 birdhouses.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
Originally planning to give them all away, she now admits she has sold a few, made $100, and then spent it, mostly on more glue.
It's a new glue gun.
Understandably bored with birdhouses, she is branching out to trivets, to a useful cork knick-knack box, a potted plant thing, some hanging art,
Oh, and then my little mobile.
oversized decorative letters.
Total fail. They don't stick. And I think I needed to sand it first.
Over the holidays, she made cork Christmas wreaths and cork Christmas trees.
Keychains. These are fun. If you have one that you really like.
That
Supposed to float.
only takes up one cork.
I know. That's why I've only done a couple.
She even tried a cork fruit bowl.
I've done some tile work, so I thought maybe grouting would work. And it really doesn't.
You need things that use more corks.
I know. That's why I'm going to do the mat.
There's the welcome mat design she found browsing internet crafter sites.
That's a lot of corks.
200. Yeah.
And the dartboard backstop in the works.
We kind of like our wall. You know, we don't like to mess it up.
And as if basic cork and glue birdhouse architecture isn't challenging enough, there's Street of Dreams stuff to try.
So somebody said, you know, you can make little shingles out of those corks, and you did.
I don't like cutting them.
Yeah.
It's not my favorite thing.
She's even written out basic birdhouse instructions. Maybe she'll teach classes someday. No need to bring your own corks.
I have enough pulled out for the class. If I have 10 people, they can, that's in there.
She does have some occasional regrets,
I don't even know why I started doing this.
but some satisfaction as well. She is helping people, after all, people who need help.
I think I did them a favor getting them out of the garage.
And who knows, maybe there is a light at the end of the cork-lined tunnel. In the December issue of Ruralite magazine, there's this.
I am looking for wine corks to make bulletin boards for seniors in nursing homes. That way they can pin their pictures with ease.
M. Powell, Eatonville, Washington. We hope you have space.
I bet you she'll get the same experience as me. People want to help, and they want to get rid of the corks.
So Celine couldn't, she wouldn't, would she?
Maybe she could use 20,000 corks.
Maybe. I'm not sure I'm done playing yet.
Not done playing yet. She does have that nice new glue gun after all, and plenty of you-know-whats. We'll see how she's doing in June. In Bend, I'm Alan Schaffler, Central Oregon Daily News.